We've made our business successful by really focusing on impeccable service. That's why we treat everyone with the same care and attention every single time. And now we're proud to share an incredible review with you right now. When we hear such great feedback from someone who's experienced impeccable service, we're motivated to pay it forward and continue to exceed our 5-star service goal, one experience at a time. It's that simple. One of the keys to our success is our commitment to satisfaction. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.